Now I'm going to set up minimap system for our game. So let's do that. In our content folder, let's rename this to big map. We have to create a new folder, minimap. Create a user interface widget blueprint, minimap. Okay. I'm going to close all of this node. Let us open this one. Add a size box. Set this to 350. Add a canvas panel. So in this canvas panel, I have this image. Also, we have to get this arrow, and okay, that's all. And this is going to be minimap glass. We have to set this to fill our entire area. And in Z order, let's set this to 9. And this is going to be image player arrow. Set this anchor point to center 0, 0, 0.5, 0.5, 30 by 30. Okay. Now we have to get a overlay inside this canvas panel. This is going to be overlay point of interest. Set this to variable. Also, we have to fill this to entire screen. So in overlay, I'm going to add a image. I have to fill this image. I think I'm going to drag this up right here. So in this image, this is going to be image map material. Okay. Now I have to do one thing. Let's open our map system, and then I have to drag this minimap. Set this anchor point to this corner. Set this to 1 and 0, 0, and maybe minus 30, and then 100. Okay. Now this is our map system. I have nothing here. So in our minimap, open this map system. Okay, nice. In our map system, on event begin play, we have this map system, and then we have this minimap inside this map system. So I'm going to call this minimap and then promote this to a variable. Okay. Now we have this minimap. So in minimap, I'm going to do I have to create a hard reference for our, let me show you, create a variable. This is going to be our map system object reference, map system, map system actor. Okay, so now I'm going to do, in our minimap, I'm going to set this map system and actor is going to be self. Okay, now we have this map system hard reference in our minimap. Okay, now in our map system, the first thing we have to do, we have to create a variable. This is going to be texture, create a texture reference, map texture. Okay, now I'm going to select my texture. I'm going to select my map texture right here, and then let's copy this name, and you can call this function right here, get map texture. And also I have to get level dimension, and then we have to get a minimap zoom, set this to float, set this to 0.2 by default. So I'm going to copy this one, get this minimap zoom. Do I have to get anything else? Okay, no, we don't have to do anything right here. And then we have to get this overlay. No, we have to get this size box minimap, set this to variable. So let's get this variable, and we have to get any of this. So I'm going to copy this name. We have to get any of this fellow. Now to promote all of this to a variable, let's promote this to a variable. This is going to be minimap size, or you can say dimension. I have this map texture, I have this level dimension, minimap zoom. Okay, that's all. Now on event pre-constant, we have to get all of this fellow. Okay, this is our minimap, I think, and we have to do now. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's get event construct. So I have to plug this on event construct. I think that's nice. Okay, now we have this error also. Okay, map system. The problem is map system. Can I? We have to. I think we have to add a delay right here. Now it's working. Basically, everything is triggered at the same time. That's why our minimap reference doesn't work. So we have to add a little bit delay to ignore that error. Okay, let's collapse all of them into a node. This is going to be get basic data for map. I'm going to drag this right here.